Today I'm going to be showing you how I install this kinky straight clipping hair on my natural hair with no leave out. If you want to see how I did it, how I achieved these looks on my natural hair, keep on watching to the end of this video. I'll be using 2 packs of the extensions, 18 inches at the back for length and 16 inches in the front. My hair is natural texture, different from the texture of the hair, so I'll be leaving no leave outs in order to achieve a natural hair look. There are extra clips in the hair from here to here in order to achieve this style. I generally like side pattern. You can do a left or a right pattern depending on what suits your face. In this case, I am doing a left pattern because it suits my face better. You do what works for you. Something else to note in this video is I will be doing 4 cornrows in the front, and that's why I'm making this little hair pattern. The cornrows are what I will use to install the closure that ensures that my clips appear natural, covering my entire hair with no leave out and not showing my natural hair at all. By all means, if you want someone to help you with the 4 tiny cornrows, go ahead and do it. But I've done this by myself. It's not the neatest, but it sure works. It's not going to show. The clips are going to cover it all up. So there you go. That's my 4 cornrows that I'm going to use in a moment. So I pick up the extra hair in the front, bind them together, hold them with an hairband. By all means, be sure to use black hairband. I used the colored one in this video, but I advise that you use a black one. It's easier, it just blends better with your hair. So as you see, I'm going to brush the hair together and hold it firmly to the back. Just firm enough for me to install the clips. Now there you go, that's what I have at the back, and I have my 4 cornrows. So then, starting with the shortest clips, I begin to install the clips one after the other. It's easy to install the clips, just make sure you are installing them to the very root of your hair. Don't let them dangle. And if you feel like any clip is not sticking properly, take it out and install it firmly to your hair. I'm liking this already. And I just continue installing the clips from here to here. So this is the easy part of the process. Just clip it in, clip it in, clip it in. And see what I've got. Let's keep going. Yeah, that's not sitting properly, and I'm just installing it properly. Okay, ladies, I hope you're liking this already. And there's the final piece before I do the closure and the 4 cornrows. So I'm going to be using that weft. I joined 2 wefts together to achieve the natural look in the front. Follow me in just a moment to see how I do this. So I put it on the farthest cornrow and pull the loose air through the closest cornrow to it. I hope this is clear. If it is not, wait in a moment when I do the other side and you understand it better. And I just use the crochet needle and continue to pick the loose air and take it through the second cornrow to the left. And once I'm done, I'm going to lift that air up, and what you see in that center is my natural airline, and you won't be able to tell that this was some extension. Yeah, wait a moment to see the result. Okay, then I lift it up that way, and that's what you get. So you see I have 2 cornrows left on my head, and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did on the left. I'm going to do it on the right by using the same 2 wefts that I have joined together. Don't worry, there's that gap in my hair on the right. I am going to cover it up as soon as I have finished installing this closure. So I install it on that portion where I'm showing you, and the very middle cornrow is where I crochet it through. So just watch what I do in a moment. Yeah, open it up that way. Now you can see I stick the needle through that one, take the loose air, use the needle to pull it to the other side. And I just continue the process until I've pulled all the loose air across. Once that's complete, I open it up just like the other side, and you can see my natural looking part right there. But of course, it's not sitting right, so I'm going to use this hot iron to put it in position, make it lay flat so that my pattern can show better without me having to use an hairband to hold the hair. So now this is the final product, ladies, and I can pack my hair any way that I want. I can style it. I didn't do too much of styling in this video, but I can definitely, oh, I'm feeling this hair. It's feeling so good already. I'm ready to rock this hair all the way. Oh yeah. It feels so soft, the texture is sweet, it's the best. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please follow my channel, subscribe to my channel.